Robot dogs joined the US Air Force during an exercise routine, and this seems to be the battlefield of the future, where humans will be working alongside technology. During an exercise which was conducted last week, the US military rolled out one of its high-tech experiments in the form of a robotic dog. It seemed like this scene, which was being displayed on the airfield in Mojave Desert, was a scene from a sci-fi movie. The dogs emerged from the United States Air Force planes. The four-legged robotic dogs scampered onto the airfield, and this seems to be what the future will bring when robotic dogs and other artificial intelligence technology will be working alongside soldiers. Military exercise routine involved soldiers and robotic dogs flying into a possibly hostile airstrip aboard an Air Force C-130. The robot dogs were later sent outside of the aircraft to check for threats before the soldiers that were inside the aircraft would be exposed to them. These electronic dogs are just one part in what the United States military refers to as the Advanced Battle Management System. The Advanced Battle Management System uses artificial intelligence and rapid data analytics to detect and counter threats to the United States military assets in space and in the U.S. homeland, with all the necessary protective measures as is required. According to the U.S. Air Force, the acquisition, technology, and logistics are being used to develop future battlefields that soldiers will encounter. And of course, they are ensuring that the military will be well equipped with an array of information to assess what is required and also to ensure that they will be able to rely on data synthesis that will be done in nanoseconds to ensure effective battling and combat. They have stated that they have placed a high value on data because this is essential in combat as a resource. It is no less important than jet fuel or satellites for next generation warfare. The latest ABMS exercise, which was conducted in the last week, starting August 31st and ended on September 3rd, involved every branch of the United States military, including the Coast Guard, and dozens of teams from the industry, and used 30 locations around the United States. Robot dogs facilitated visuals of the surroundings, and they helped to ensure that the human soldiers were closer to the aircraft. The dogs are called Vision 60 UGVs, or Autonomous Unmanned Ground Vehicles. They have the ability to operate in any terrain or environment and can adapt to carry an array of sensors and radios on them. They are built on a core design principle for four-legged robots in reduced mechanical complexity when compared to any other legged robots, and even traditional wheel-tracked UGVs. By reducing the complexity, They increased the durability, agility, and endurance of the robot dogs. Therefore, their UGVs are considered to be unstoppable. The U.S. military of the future will be using robot dogs as a very important component of their strategy. Through the use of sensors across all battle space at speed and under threat. Of course, these concepts and capabilities will be necessary to battle and win in the information age. These robotic dogs and combatant commands must fight at internet speeds to win. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the use of artificial intelligence and other technologies on battlefields of the future. Of course, it seems robot dogs will be incorporated into the U.S. Air Force battle strategies of the future, and maybe they have already been incorporated into the battlefields of today. Of course, they are assisting to fend off threats in space and threats on land as well. We look forward to these new technological advancements and developments of the future as artificial intelligence continues to be widely accepted and used in various industries. Thanks for watching.